In this video, let's talk about how to create a smart playlist inside of YouTube Music. Now, officially, YouTube Music does not have a traditional or user-created smart playlist where you can set your own rules. But however, the platform does it automatically for you. Based upon the songs that you listen to or the songs that you like, it will give you similar music tastes right inside of your home feed. So once you're inside of the home feed, if you scroll down, you're going to see different songs or different artists that are similar or songs that you listen to. If you scroll down further, it's going to say music videos for you, which means it has given you suggestions of the music that you might like. If you scroll down further as well, you're going to find sections such as radios for you or your daily discovery section as well. Now, another great way of finding songs that you like or songs that are similar to that you like is you can create a playlist of the songs and then start a radio. So for example, if this is a playlist of the songs that you listen to, and you can just click on a song right here and then click on the start radio option. What this is going to do is, based upon the song that you just selected, it's going to show you a list of songs that are endless and it will keep updating as you go on. So as I said, while you cannot automate your own custom rules, you can manually create a standard playlist and then use the start radio feature based on that playlist to generate a similar endless radio station. So that's all there is for this video. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next one.